Alright, big snowstorm of 2017. Let's go find the little kiddos. Figure I should get some video of this. I don't know, I'd say we got probably about 2 feet at this point, and it's supposed to still be snowing for quite a while. I think either until this evening or actually into tomorrow morning. So let's see if we can find these. You're gonna be tired. Hey little kiddos. We got two of 4 here. Did someone go in here?
Yeah.
Why? There's rocks there. I told you to watch that. How you guys doing? Look at me. Where we see those pretty faces. Wave. Hi, Dominic.
Look at my tunnel.
Oh.
It actually goes under.
Oh. Hi, Dominic.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
A lot of snow. Trampoline's got some snow on it. Wow. A lot of snow. You guys look like you're tired already.
No.
No?
I've got hair in my mouth.
Oh. So I think it's drifty, right?
What's that mean?
In other words, it's really deeper where the wind has blown it. Doesn't seem as deep back here.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm gonna dig, okay? I'm gonna dig. No, that's not a tunnel. Tunnels are under. See? I'm digging a trench. Not over here. I'm digging a big fat tunnel. It's not a tunnel. What? It's not a tunnel. Not over here, okay, Dominic? I'm digging a bowl.
Should I go and see if Andy's coming out?
What?
Should I go and see if Andy's coming out?
Yeah. Help me! Help me!
Pretty slippery. Ugh. A lot of snow on everything. Okay, better get back to shoveling. Annie, hey, look at me. Is there some snow here? Mom said you should put your hood up, sweetie.
How?
Is there some snow here?
Yeah.
Is there some snow?
Yeah. Here's gloves. Catch. I'll need new gloves. Mommy, want me?
Grace, go pick them up.
Ah. Ooh, my hands are getting cold.
Dominic, you're a hardy boy, buddy.
I'm breaking the ice.
Pick up those gloves, buddy. Did you pick them up?
I don't need new gloves yet.
I know, pick them up. Give them to me then. Gracie, you shouldn't have thrown them.
Oh.
Thank you. Let me see you. How you doing?
Good. Ah!
Gracie's climbing.
Then my hat fell off.
All right, try to put it back on.
Hi, Dad.
Uh-oh.
Then my head will get.
All right, go inside. Mom will put Gracie in the tree.
Haha. My neck.
Hi, Grace.
What?
Hi.
I'm thinking that.
Annie, you got to put your hat on. Go take it in.
What's that? Yummy. Yummy.
Alright, Dad's gotta get back to shoveling. Look at the cap on the light there, sweetie.
What?
Look, it doesn't look like a cap. I can barely see the screen, it's still coming down.
Jump in the snow?
Yeah, just watch, there's rocks there, don't forget.
This is a fossil.
Jump the other way, Dominic.
This way to make a fossil.
Yeah, that way. Okay. I'm gonna bring this up.
Hi, baby.
Wait, oh my gosh. Hey guys.
Is it cold?
All this snow everywhere, but yet it feels so warm today. It feels like spring today, even though it looks like winter. Annie, what are you doing? No, there's no shovels over there, I don't think.
There's one like buried in there, but is it spring?
Not quite. Almost. Today is St. Patrick's Day, 2017.
No, look! You dum-dum in there.
Hey, be nice. Come on, be nice.
In there, we're
I'm holding Miss Sophie.
What? Never mind. Mommy, why did not tell me where a shovel is?
Wait. No, we don't have any more shovels out here, I don't think. Oh, one is buried someplace in the snow. So it's like a treasure hunt, Andy, if you find it.
Really? Yeah, I buried it. Yeah,
You did it on purpose, Dominic?
Yeah, he did too.
Dominic?
So, you want to feel snow?
It'd be nice to be able to use the shovel to look for the shovel through the snow.
So, you want to touch snow? Yeah. You touch snow. Is that cold? Eat it. No, this stuff you can put in your mouth, right? So, you can put that in your mouth. Eat it.
No, oh no. Okay, Gracie.
Sis likes snow. Sophie likes snow.
Dominic, what are you building over there?
A snowball fight.
A fort? Oh, how
I'm
fun.
trying to build a hot
Okay, you build
fort.
one. Go back to building.
I'm on top of the mountain. I'm going top of the mountain. I'm going top of the mountain. Race it to the top, you dum-dum.
Stop saying that, Grace. Don't talk like that. That's not nice.
How do I get up? To the top.
You excited? I know.
I'm
Whoa, yay!
higher than the top. Me too. Are you going to post this on YouTube? Slide? Yeah. How?